Hello everyone! As you can see, today we're going to learn a new letter. Yes, it's letter P. Now are you ready to play a game? I'm going to show you an outline of a picture. You have 3 seconds to guess what's the picture. Did you know what is it? Yes, it's a pig. Pig. Let's try with another picture. What is this? Let's see if you guessed it right. Yes, it's a pan. Pan. One more, let's go. What about this picture? What is this? Did you guess? You're right, it's a plane. Plane. What about this picture? What is this? Come on, guys, 5 seconds to guess what is this picture. You are right, pen. Pen. What about this? It's something that we eat. You are right, pineapple. That's right. All of these words start with letter P. We saw pig, pan, plane, pineapple, and pen. All of these words start with letter P. Letter P makes the sound P. Now it's your turn to think of more words that start with letter P. I know you can do it. Bye for now.